Hey there, this is Mike Monty. I said I would teach how to do a Hidemasa hook, which this is not the optimal setup to do. To do a Hidemasa hook, you need to throw a breakaway. And you're going to swing this string. You're going to pop your throw hand up in the air, which is going to create slack. As you can see, it creates this kind of slack whip that floats there on this outside side of the yo-yo. And when you do that, you want to take the throw hand and swing it underneath the yo-yo, which creates a loop over here. As you can see, it kind of hits my arm over here. You want to use that loop. So throw your breakaway, pop the yo-yo into the air and swing the loop. And you want to put your index finger of your free hand out, and you want it to hit that loop. And you basically just want to pop it up and hit that on your index finger as much as you can. Sometimes you might luck out and hit the gap of the yo-yo. Sometimes you're going to completely miss. Sometimes it'll just make a knot. But throw a breakaway, pop this up, and while you're popping it up, swing the string around. You might even try popping it up and swinging the string around as much as you can, just to practice the action of swinging that string around, creating a loop that flies in a circle. Once you're good at making that string fly in a circle, once you can pop the yo-yo up and swing that string around, then you want to put your index finger of your free hand out. And you're hoping that that loop, both pieces of it, so there's two pieces. You've got the front piece that's further away from your body. You've got the back piece that's closer to your body. You want both pieces of that loop to hit your finger, and you want them to hinge over your finger. In the case of what I've just showed you, it got really twisted up because the string tension was way off. As you can see, it's messed up. This trick is heavily dependent on you having neutral string tension. So like when I go like this, it doesn't twist up on itself. So when I go like this, that double bit of string flies around the yo-yo and lands in the gap instead of twisting up and getting all messed up. So throw a breakaway, swing this around, swing it around, put your finger in there, hope that it lands in the gap of the yo-yo. When you do put your finger out there, the piece of the string that you're hoping hits the gap of the yo-yo is the front string. The back bit of the string is going to go over your wrist. The front bit of string is going to go over the front of your index finger of your free hand. And that bit that's going over the front of your index finger, you want it to hit the gap of the yo-yo. And when it does, you let it fall. That would be the Hidemasa hook. From there, you swing the yo-yo up towards your body and over your free hand so that you've got this kind of cross arm thing going on. Bring your throw hand underneath the yo-yo, drop it down, and at that point, the yo-yo has been dismounted and you can bind it and catch it. Breakaway, swing the yo-yo string around, let both pieces of the string hit your index finger, and when it hits it, the front bit of it coming over the top of your index finger hits the gap, landing it in the gap. Swing the yo-yo up and over the top of your free hand. Take your throw hand, drop it underneath the yo-yo. You're stuck with your breakaway side style thrown yo-yo. And at that point, catch it. In the future, I'm going to borrow a GoPro and I'll record some point of view perspective on this, but hopefully that gives you enough understanding of how to do this, and I wish you the best of luck. If you have any questions, leave it below. If you want to know any other tricks that you think I might know, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you next time. Bye.